15 yards, two bad guys, one in body armor, one with a SKS. Light striker fired 3 o'clock. Just got a new front night sight put on. First shot a little high. Let's see if I got him. Yep, as I called it, just a little high above the tee box. That's a good hit, 15 yards. That's just a little bit high. You'd want kind of right behind the ear there. 15 yards, targets online. I think it's 10 or 15% off with code Dan the Wolfman. Excess sights, 10% off. Code Dan the Wolfman. Toaster, 15% off. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And you see behind me, this was the spot. There's the camera stand at 15 yards.